Hello and welcome to my newest i4BI video. Today I will be talking about on-object interaction, which is a new way of creating Power BI visuals. Keep following me, I'm going to show you some interesting stuff.
I've added a simple data set to the data model, and now we can create some visuals. First step is to add on-object interaction. This option is not yet a standard Power BI feature. To enable this, you should activate it first. Select File, Options and Settings, Options, and then enter the preview features. Here you should check on-object interaction. After choosing this option, you should restart Power BI Desktop. I already did it, so we can move on. Following the restart, a new group of options called Visuals will appear in the Home and Insert ribbons. We can add a new visual by clicking on the new visual icon or by selecting a visual from the palette. Let's start the new visual option. The placeholder of the new visual will appear on the canvas, and in its upper right corner is the Add Data and Build Your Visual icon, which, when activated, displays Build the Visual context menu. Here you can see the list of visuals and Add Data button. Clicking on this button will open the Select Data menu, which allows adding the dimensions we want to use. This process could be repeated several times until all required reporting dimensions have been added. The Suggest a Type slider can have value on or off. When turned on, it is used for Power BI's desktop to automatically determine the type of visualization, chart, table, card, etc. If it's off, we manually select the visualization from the list. Depending on the selection, one or more fields specific to the selected visual will appear in the menu. For example, if we choose Clustered Column Chart, the fields X-axis, Y-axis, Legends, Small Multiples, Tooltips, etc. will appear. Under the menu for adding report dimensions, there is an Add or Remove Visual Elements icon. Clicking on it will open the Add to your visual menu. Similar to when we add Excel chart elements, this menu shows additional options for adding or removing visual elements. By clicking on Data Labels, for instance, values of data series will be displayed on the chart. By clicking on the More Options button, we will open on the right a formatting menu when we can format the display of visualization elements in detail. Within the Insert ribbon and group for working with visualizations, there is also the Mode Visuals menu. It has two options, from App Source and from My Files. By choosing the first option, you will open the Power BI Visuals windows, which enable to search and activation of official and independent visualizations that can be picked from App Source. The second option allows you to add a visualization that you previously retrieved from the internet. You can also find the new Pane Switcher menu in the View ribbon. It has two options. The first serves to enable the display of the panel for working with visualizations on the right side of the Power BI desktop window. And the second to see a shortcut to build the visual option within it. This feature in essence is made for users who do not like the new way of working with Power BI visuals and would like to have a similar interface as before. Thank you. Have a nice day.